Your comment has been removed in Instagram. Okay, we are going to solve this problem, okay, step by step, okay. The first fix for the solve this problem, okay, it's you go to the your account of Instagram, okay, and here, okay, you go your account, okay, your profile, and here you go to the your settings, okay, in the three lines, okay, and here you go to the first option, okay, of settings and privacy, and here you go, okay, scrolling down, okay, here scrolling, okay, and you go, okay, to the option on the section more info and support, okay, go to the help, okay, and here you go to the report a problem, and here you report, okay, this problem, okay, and you solve the problem, or your comment has been removed, okay. Bye bye.